Hey everyone, it's Erin Floater here, and I am here doing the next week of my setup, which is going to be February 11th through the 17th. So I'm going to kind of fly by the seat of my pants here a little bit. I don't really have anything set up. I really just kind of want to take it day by day, so I'm not going to have a ton of setup here, but I am going to basically do some swatches with my Tombow and then do some heartbeat type rhythms. That's what I'm looking for my headers. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so I've really been liking this horizontal type setup a lot lately because it definitely gives me a lot of room. So I'm going to keep it for this week. I swatched some things out, did my heart rhythms with my little headers here for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then the weekend. So I have the dates below there and then some events. I don't have my work calendar in front of me, so I don't have all of my things. I just remembered that there was a training on Wednesday, but other than that, I'm not really sure. And then I have my 2 YouTube videos that will be going live, my weekly video on Monday, and then my March plan with me on Friday. And then of course, the 14th is Valentine's Day. I do not think my fiance and I have plans as of right now, so maybe we'll just do a nice dinner or something like that. So that's it. Pretty simple, stupid simple for this week. This washi tape is from Simply Gilded. I really like these bold colors all together, and I love the gold with this red and gray mixture. And I used a 0.5 Muji style pen from Notebook Therapy for the red. And I'm probably going to be using a lot more of these colored gel pens in the future because I have them, so why not use them? So thank you guys for joining me for this week, and I will see you on Friday for my March plan with me. Bye everyone.